Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Yes, I know I have the same look. I chose to do this, to use this day to shoot, this Halloween related DIY that embarking on. So you are going to see this look like multiple times, but you're going to see different DIY. Does that make sense? All right. Anyway, guys, for today's video, I'm going to be doing gumball DIY Halloween costume. Gumball DIY Halloween costume. Okay, I'm also going to insert the picture that inspired me to do this. So for this tutorial, we're going to need, I bought this from Dollar Tree. It's called pom-poms. All right, I bought 5 bags of this. They are $1, so I bought 5 of those, and I'm going to be using my t-shirts that I have at home before. Of course, this is not from Dollar Tree. I always tell you if it is from Dollar Tree. This is from H&M actually, but it's been a while that I own it, so I'm going to be using that to do the DIY, and that's all about it. Of course, we're going to need glue. Okay, I might use the tape. I think I'm going to use glue for this in order not to waste a lot of time. I'm going to be gluing this on my clothes, and which means this might be wrong completely. So if you want to embark on this, you might want to use the t-shirt that you are ready to say bye-bye to. Okay, all right. So without wasting much of your time, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's jump right into this video. And please don't forget, leave me comments in the comment section. Please share this video, give it a thumbs up, and let me know your thought about this video in the comment section. And this is inspired by pictures that I saw on Pinterest, and I decided to bring them live to you guys to see. Right, so guys, I changed my mind because I still have another DIY that I'm going to need a black t-shirt for. That one I can just take it off, whatever I'm going to do on that. But this one I don't mind I don't mind throwing it away after now, so I picked this one up. This I actually bought this in Walmart on the clearance rack. It's been a while too, so I decided I changed my mind. Yes, I can go away with this, but the other one I'm still going to need it for something else. All right, so the idea is we put the glue. The glue is clear, and they say it dries clear too. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and try to spread it, because I don't want to waste time doing it dot by dot. I ain't got no time for that. All right, so I'll go ahead and cover my glue. Then all I need to do is start pasting this on it. This is going to take, this has to dry before I try it on, so that's why I'm doing it now, so I can keep it for a couple of hours before I will try it. That's what I'm going to be doing to fill it in. I'm not going in any pattern or design, color pattern. I'm just, whatever that I pick up, that's what I stick on the glue, and that's how it's going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it up onto where I can tuck in, or if I don't want to tuck in, but I'd rather tuck in for you guys to see the effects more. So I'm going to be tucking in the shirts into the pants that I'm going to try it on for you guys to see. All right, so this is just what we're going to keep doing. Okay. So this is how it's looking. I use say 4 packs. That's what I use to achieve this. So I'm going to let it dry. It's not that dry completely, so I'm going to let it dry before I try it on for you. All right, yeah, I'm loving it. I hope you all will be able to like enjoy it as well. I'm also going to insert the picture that inspired this in this video. All right, this is the gumball machine, you know, inspired Halloween costume. So look at the outcome. Like always, nothing at the back. All right, nothing at the back. Let people imagine who you are. They come to the front and they will see it. So this is outcome. And what is gumball without price? Let's put some price also. People will know that these are gumball's machine inspired, and you know, you have to pay for you to use the gumball, for you to get candy from the gumball. So let me get my price on. All right, so it's just a temporary solution, like say 25 cents. That's the amount you pay to get candy from the gumball machine. All right, you all have seen what inspired it, and this is how it's looking. All right, guys, I didn't really spend so much to get all this done. Remember, all these are from Dollar Tree. This I just printed it out. It's in color, so I have no problem. I mean, it's in black and white, so it doesn't consume a lot of ink. That's what I meant to say, so you all can see it. This is the outcome. All right, so yeah. So this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching it. Please do not forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.